Hi, for my presentation I have chosen the poem When I Run by Marvin Bell. I chose this poem because it just had a lot of meaning to me when I first read it, and it really related to everything going on in the world. So, as you can tell by the picture, I am a runner, and I've been running competitively now for 9 years. I often use this time to reflect on life and things going on around me. Sometimes I do it to let off some steam, or so I can feel good about myself, or because I'm required to for practice. But a lot of times, especially lately, I do it so I can just forget about things going on in the world. When I read this poem, it made me feel the way I've been feeling about running lately. Everything just kind of started to fall into place. Because of the coronavirus, a lot of things have been closed or getting canceled, and things have been closed for months. And one of those things that's been canceled is the track season. So my coach has told me to stay in shape and get in my miles, but it's been really difficult when I have no season to practice for. At this point, I decided that I'm running for myself. Not to compete or to make my coach happy, but I'm doing it to see my own progress in both my physical and mental health. So now I will read the poem and then I will share the wise words of Marvin Bell. When I run. When I run, it doesn't mean much. It's a world with a streak across it, and I run up or down or flat along that streak to make the wind sing the way it sings sometimes to go around things. When I run, it doesn't mean there aren't roads or cars to go around, and I wear soft shoes with no place to go and only a wavering circle in mind to make the run complete. When I run, it doesn't mean the world, except for shoes, but definite places to step, next and next to next, and then only a touch. When I run, slowly, it all goes past, and with it those who did right or wrong, or didn't, and earth, it also follows a streak in space. So this poem, it helped me see, for me personally, why it's important to run. Marvin Bell expressed a lot of emotion behind running, and the main thing I got out of it, I believe, is a really important life lesson. There's a lot of stuff going on in the world, and unfortunately, myself and no one else can control it. But one thing we can control, or I can control, along with others, is ourselves, and where we go from here. I know this sounds cheesy and cliche, but just like running, I can choose my path and I can make my own choices. So through all these tough times, it is important to keep putting one foot in front of the other and moving on in life. Thank you for listening.